Hi, my name is Henry Rodriguez, Program Coordinator for the ICES Education After School Program. We're here at it again, making another smoothie. This one is called the Strawberry Shaper. Before we get started, I do want to give a shout out to our garden guardian and food specialist, Danielle Marquez, which is with us at Hawthorne School District. She gets all the kids into these healthy eating habits, which I think is great for our programs throughout all of our schools. I also want to give a shout out to Maria Ruiz from Montebello Unified School District, also a garden guardian and a food specialist for healthy eating. They do great work with all our kids, teaching them on how to grow their own vegetables and fruits, and then getting them cooking in the kitchen and making smoothies and making them learn about healthy eating, which I think is an amazing thing that we have for our company. So now we're going to get started with this smoothie. Okay, first ingredient is 1 cup of water. So our 1 cup of water. We make sure that we release the top from our Ninja blender. Pour it in here. Now we're going to do 2 cups of coconut milk. We have our 2 cups here. We're going to pour in the coconut milk. 1 cup here. Second cup. Here's a second cup. Now we're going to add 2 tablespoons of our flax seeds. Okay, that's 2 tablespoons. Okay, now we're going to add 3 handfuls of this beautiful green spinach here. So we're going to add the spinach. And we're going to add the spinach in here. About 3 handfuls. I have big hands, so it's going to be maybe a little bit more than what you're putting in there. Okay, now we're ready to blend the first part of it. We're going to blend it on high for 1 minute. We're using our Ninja blender here. So I'm going to secure the top up here first. We're going to power it on. And remember, kids, if you're doing this at home, make sure you have adult supervision or an older brother and sister helping you with this. So we're going to blend on high for 1 minute. I have my stopwatch here. We're going to start that stopwatch. 1 minute, go. Start our blender. That's going to be 1 minute. We power it down. And now we're ready to add the last of the ingredients. Next, we're going to add 3 small bananas. I have the bananas here. They're pre-cut already. That's the next thing on here. Okay, now we're going to add the bananas. Pour those in there. Last one in there. Now we're going to add 3 cups of strawberries. So we're going to have our 3 cups of strawberries. To be honest, I'm going to share a little secret with you. I added about maybe 4 cups of strawberries because I love strawberries. So if you like a little bit of the fruit, you know, if you like banana more, or if you like a little bit more coconut milk or a little bit more spinach, I chose the strawberries so I like them more. So I just added a little bit more strawberries. It'll be our little secret, but that's what I choose. So we're gonna add the strawberries now. Okay, so we're gonna add the strawberries here. Let's get them all in there. These are frozen strawberries, by the way. I chose frozen strawberries just so I could get a little bit more chilled taste to my smoothie. And lastly, we're gonna add some vanilla extract. It's a 1 tablespoon and about a tablespoon of cinnamon as well. You could use a spoon, a measuring spoon or a tablespoon to do it. I just like to pour it in there. I kind of know already what a tablespoon looks like. So we're gonna start with the vanilla extract. So we'll pour a little bit in there. And lastly, we'll do the cinnamon. Just sprinkle the cinnamon all over our spoon. About a tablespoon. Okay, so now we're gonna blend the last of it for another minute. We're gonna secure our top on here. Pour it on there. Make sure this is powered on. We're gonna use high speed on it for another minute. So I have my stopwatch here. We're gonna start it and blend. Okay, that's about a minute already. There we go. We're gonna stop this blender. Now we are done. So we're gonna remove this off of our blender. We have our spout here on this blender here that we can just lift up. Then I'm gonna be ready to serve the strawberry shaper smoothie, which is really good. Pour on there. Don't forget to grab your straw. Pour it in there. And bon appetit.